Okay, so the project for today is this 2003 Chevy Silverado 3500 crew cab, 4-wheel drive, nice truck. This has a Duramax diesel LB7. I am replacing the factory dually bed with a custom steel flatbed. Normally, when I replace beds, it's usually being done on concrete with jack stands or on a lift. But today, a forklift is being used. So we got the bed off. Now I'm cleaning off all the surface rust, prepping the frame, making sure the wire harness is out the way. Did a few other things, prepping for the steel flatbed to be installed. The weather was pretty decent. Took advantage and tried to get as much done as possible.